Hello guys, what is up? Ray here, back again another video. Today guys, I'm going to show you the basic functions of Kinemaster Pro. Okay, we're just gonna show you the basic functions, how to edit, how to slow-mo things that makes it a little bit more cinematic. Okay, so let's get down to it. So here guys is the Kinemaster app. As you can see, there are two videos already that I already edited, so we're gonna click on new and select 16:9 because the 16:9 ratio is the one for YouTube. Okay, click that. Okay, you will see this, your dashboard. So we're gonna go click media, import. So a while ago guys, I have stock footages that are just on my hard drive, so I pulled it out so that I can show you guys how easy it is to edit using Kinemaster Pro. Okay, so just choose this first here, right here. Okay, so we can directly choose 3 footages, but for me guys, I like to take it one by one. Okay, so we're just gonna choose this one first right here. Okay, this is the whole footage, as you can see. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the best beginning spot, which is this for me. Okay, I'm gonna click trim, then split playhead. We're gonna delete the unusable clip, so we're gonna work with this. Okay, so let's trim that right there and delete that. Okay, so what we have here is this one, this footage. So it doesn't really look that cinematic yet. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna decrease the speed of that clip. Okay, so this would be the effect. See, you cannot yet see the full the smoothness of the clip because it's not yet rendered. So, okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna trim that, split it again, and delete this one right here. So we'll have this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna import again. Let's maybe choose this one. Okay, so this is the next clip guys. Yeah, right there. So it doesn't really look that cinematic, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a starting position. Maybe this one before the what do you call that, the walls. I'm gonna click that, trim, split at playhead, and we are going to delete this one right here. So we'll be starting off with this one right here, and maybe this one. I'm gonna trim that, split it, and delete the long one. Okay, so what we have here is this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slow it down again. So this will be our clip guys. I think before the wall starts to, or maybe this one right here. Yeah, that's probably okay. Delete the excess clip. So that's it. Okay, so it really looks better now. So next is we're gonna import, okay, this one, our last clip. Okay, okay, so here we can see we're gonna play with this last clip. Okay, so we're just gonna find the starting point, maybe this one right here, trim it, split it, and delete the unwanted clip. So okay, so we'll make it cinematic by adding slow motion to it. Maybe at this point here before it goes up. This one right here. Okay, we're gonna trim it. Okay, and click this one. Then we're just gonna slow it down again. So we're just gonna find the best position. This one, we can trim it again and delete this one. So we're gonna start with this. Yeah, I think that's probably okay. Or we should trim it more. I think that's probably okay. So right now, guys, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add transitions to it. Okay, so this is how easy it is to add transitions in Kinemaster. I'm just gonna download this first. In Kinemaster Pro, you can download more assets on their asset store. This one right here, they have tons of transitions. You can get this one, premium. Yeah, just gotta download it, got installed, so you can use that already. So it's really worth it. They should get the subscription, guys. So we're gonna choose a transition for this. What we're gonna use here, I think this one, retrospection. See, it really has a nice transition to it. Okay, so this one right here, we're still gonna use the retrospection. That one, okay. So that's probably okay. So let's see, guys. Yeah, it got nice cinematic effect right there. So you can hear, because it's not a different clip, we're just gonna put some is the blink effect nice? No. We're just gonna choose what fits best. Nope, not that. Photo replica. Nope. Light leaks. Yeah, maybe light leaks is fine. Okay, so here, guys, we're gonna speed this one up. When it reaches here, yeah, that's the point that we're gonna trim. Okay, so we're gonna click this one here. Just gonna speed it up a little bit. Yeah, I think that one's fine. Yeah, that one. Then this clip, the ending clip, we're gonna slow it down. So let's see the finished product. I think we're just gonna ramp it up a little higher, 2x. So this is how you edit, guys. You make sure that everything looks cool. You're gonna repeat it over and over again. I think we're just gonna color grade this. We can color grade this using color filter. I think this one is black and white. Let's see. Here we're gonna choose the adjustments. Now we're not gonna choose the adjustments, we're just gonna go on with the color filter. I think we should choose vivid. It will look more alive. How about cold? No, basic. So you can play around with this, guys. It's really simple to use. Everything's there, just need to find the right one. I think this one's okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, that one's okay. This one we're gonna color grade it again. Color filter, vivid. This one. I think this one will just change it also to vivid, so it will be more uniform. Yeah, that one's okay right there. Okay, here on the last clip we can add text to it. Let's say thank you for watching. Yeah. Okay, can make it bigger. Animation, so you can make it fade in. Oops, click that one again. And click the out animation. I'm just gonna use fade out again. Here guys, we can make it glow, make a shadow drop. Yeah, I think that one's okay. Background color, yeah, we can use that. Or if ever guys, if you want it from ends to ends, you can click the full width background there. Yeah, so it's gonna, oh wait, we should add music first. So here in audio, okay, here there are stock songs on my playlist, or we could use, I've downloaded this a while ago guys. I think this fits well in the music that we're trying, the video that we're trying to create. So I think we're just gonna change this color filter. Low saturation, no. Okay. How about we're gonna find a more dramatic filter. Nope, I think vivid is fine. Yeah, that one's fine. So this is the full clip guys. I hope you did enjoy that. I will be creating more tutorials. So enjoy guys, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!